Welcome to Squarespace. Let's have a look inside. I am Rapha Fontes. I'm director for the EMEA operations at Squarespace. Squarespace has been around for 14 years now. It's an all-in-one web design platform. We have been operating in Ireland for over 3 years, and we're just now opening our newly redesigned office. Design is a big part of Squarespace and what we do, so we reflect it in our products and everything we offer to our customers. And we wanted to do the same with our space here, so we worked with a renowned architect firm in New York to do that for the 3 offices. We have offices in Portland, of course here in Dublin, our headquarters in New York. And as you can see, most of the office is black and white, minimalist, trying to reflect the design aspect of our brand. So the theme for this floor, the second floor, is fonts. And fonts are an integral part of our customers' website's design. And they also have code names for the meeting room, so we chose them. And then some of the team members here help source material just to illustrate fonts in general for the office. Let's go to the 4th floor, where I have a roof terrace and we serve lunch and also use it as all-hands meeting space. So this place, when we moved here, this used to be a building for another company that had a more old-school configuration. So in the past, this used to be the executive's office. So if I recall well, only 5 closed offices, and we chose to open it up, make it a collaboration space. Lunch, and whenever we have company all-hands meetings or larger meetings, we just turn this into a small auditorium for the team. And the great part about it too is that we have integrated balconies on both sides, so it makes it, if the weather permits, we can go outside, have lunch outside, and just relax and spend some time with the team. We're getting into springtime right now, which is very exciting. For the last few months, this space haven't been much used, but now we're starting to use it more. As we were working with the architects for picking the furniture in this space, it's probably my only ask was this hammock. I couldn't pass the opportunity to have in this space for the team here just to chill after lunch and spend some time in the hammock. Thanks for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the office, and I'll see you again soon.